Good morning, class family. It's a terrific Tuesday. Let's look at our message together. Show me that you're a team and a class family. Follow along with your eyes and listen with your ears. Use your finger to point. Ready? Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. April 9th, 2024. Dear class family, today is Tuesday. We will learn a lot at school. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Next, we will go on Lexia and do literacy centers. Then, we will share new learning about a topic. Last, we will write sentences that start with I like. It is a great day, loved Miss Joyner. Oh, it is a great day. Okay, readers, we're going to look back and reread the message. That's what good readers do. They reread. They do this so their brain can understand the words on the page. Use your finger to point. Start in the top right-hand corner with today's date. I noticed the spelling for this month with the capital letter A-P-R-I-L. What does that say? You're right. It does say April. If you knew that, great job. Notice the capital letter A to start. Good writers and mathematicians capitalize the first letter of each month of the year because it's special and important. They also capitalize the first letter of each day of the week. Okay, readers, let's read from top to bottom and left to right. April 9th, 2024. Dear class family, after our greeting, look at the first telling sentence. I noticed a bigger finger space to indent or jumpstart that paragraph. That's what good writers do. I also see a capital letter T at the start of this sentence and a period at the end. Good writers start sentences with capital letters and end with punctuation marks. Okay, readers, as we are rereading, notice how every sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. Are you ready? Let's reread. Today is Tuesday. It is Tuesday, and it's a terrific Tuesday. Look at the next sentence. We will learn a lot at school. Oh, that's true, class family. We do that every single day. Working on being a portrait of a graduate. We're doing this by being a great communicator and collaborator. Remember, we speak clearly with our mouths and listen with our ears. That's what good communicators do. Okay, class family, we're going to go ahead and figure out the order of what we're doing this morning in language arts, first, next, then, and last. First, we will learn letters and sounds. Just like we do every day at school and kindergarten, we will use so many resources to pump our brains with knowledge, including our word wall. We have the electronic version with the foundations cards. We'll review letters, sounds, pictures to match that word, American Sign Language. We'll go over each of the sight words as well to help get us ready for first grade next year. We have the 25 kindergarten high frequency words we need to know, read, and spell to be prepared for first grade. We'll be reviewing these words and using additional resources such as our sound wall, learning to shape our mouths for all the consonants and vowels. We're using the program UFly, and we'll be using so many resources, including our My Alphabet book. We'll go A to Z. We'll do the UFly shuffle. We'll be going around from letter to letter, and we'll also be doing dun-dun-dun-dun, phonemic awareness, tapping that beginning, middle, and ending sound and saying that whole word. It's going to be fantastic. We're also going to be practicing writing those words as well. And guess what? You know it. Next, we'll go on Lexia and do literacy centers. Let's get ready for first grade. You're going to log on independently to the Lexia Core 5 reading program. Log on to your iPads, pump your brains with knowledge. Get your time goal met, get your unit goal met. And remember, those of you that are on a kindergarten Lexia level, your goal is to get to a first grade Lexia level by the end of April or the beginning of May. And for those of you that are on a first grade level already, great job. Your goal is to get to a second grade level by the end of April or the beginning of May. Let's go ahead and get ready for first grade and pump our brains with knowledge. We use so many different resources. We have different centers within the classroom you'll be using, some independent centers, some small group centers, reading books, and remember, when a teacher calls your name, listen the first time and go to that group to continue your learning. Okay, class family, then we will share new learning about a topic. We will. We had such an exciting day yesterday for the total solar eclipse. We're going to go ahead and continue to learn more information about this and share our thinking about this topic. Remember, that's what good readers do. They share their thinking, they look back at resources, and they discuss things. So we'll be doing that today in kindergarten. Last, we'll write sentences that start with I like. Okay, so we will be writing sentences that start with I like. During writing workshop, we are going to be writing pattern sentences, and each of them start with I like, and you're going to think about what you like, and then you're going to sound that out. Listen as you're saying the words. You can write the letter for each sound and put a period at the end of that telling sentence. Shout out to Jack Hartman's YouTube channel. We'll be using your parts of a sentence song as one of the ones to help us today at school, where we learn 1, a sentence starts with a capital letter. 2, tells a complete idea. 3, there's finger spaces between the words so the words don't smush together. And 4, there's a punctuation mark at the end. And for today, you're going to be doing telling sentences and statements, so put a period at the end of those. Okay, and shout out to some other YouTube channels, Mr. B's Singing Walrus, The Learning Station, and I already mentioned Jack Hartman. We appreciate your electronic resources helping us to sing and dance and move and pump our brains with knowledge at school. It is a great day. Love Miss Joyner. It is a great day. It's fantastic. Get your fans ready. Fantastic. Our Do You Like question today. In our T-chart of yes or no answers, it's actually a did you like question. Did you like the total solar eclipse? Well, did you? Think about your experience yesterday. Now at school, we were learning online. We were not outside yesterday when we were learning about it, but many of you were. And let's go ahead at school and think about the answer to this question. Did you like the total solar eclipse? Think about your reason. Get ready to be a great communicator and share why.